Hey guys, this is Tim. CERYCOSE sent me this Cordas Impact Wrench to do a review on. So let's open it up, give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Comes with an instruction manual. Here's the impact wrench. And it looks like a belt clip that could be used as an option. Okay, this CERYCOSE Impact Wrench does not come with a battery, but it's designed to accommodate an 18 to 20 volt DeWalt battery here. So we'll go ahead and put that on. Just clips onto the bottom of that. This is a brushless motor. It has the venting on the side to keep the motor cool. You have the switch here for forward. You can see the arrows, and then reverse. If you press this into the center, then it locks the switch in. This is the activating switch here. You can see it has a 1/2 inch anvil. It's got the plastic cap in place for protection. Probably best to keep that in place when you're not using it. But this fits a 1/2 inch socket. You have the rubber ergonomic handles for good grip, and with the battery, it's a real good balance. Heavy duty body, and it has 3 speeds. You can see right here has 3 speeds, 1, 2, and 3. And speed 1 is 0 to 1200 RPMs. Speed 2 is 1600 RPMs. And speed 3 is 2000 RPMs. And those each are 400, 500, and 600 foot-pounds of torque. Then you have the reverse speed, that's 2400 RPMs or 700 foot-pounds. So you have up to 600 foot-pounds of tightening a bolt, and then you have 700 foot-pounds to loosen a bolt. Okay, you might notice that the reverse button has a self-stop function. So in other words, I can hold the trigger down and it stops automatically. And that's just kind of for your hand protection and torque, because it has the full torque when it's in reverse of 700 foot-pounds. This is speed 1, 1200 RPMs. Speed 2 is 1600 RPMs. And speed 3 is 2000 RPMs. And it has variable speed, so in other words, I can just barely press the trigger in and the speed is slower. Or you can fully engage the switch. Okay, I'm going to take the battery off, install the belt clip, and then we'll give it a try. Okay, the screw hole for mounting the belt clip can be put on the left side or the right side, depending on if you're right-handed or left-handed. Okay, this clip goes into that slot, and then the screw will be fastened into this hole. Okay, here's the tool with the belt clip attached. And this is designed to hang upside down and attach it to your belt. So let's put the battery in, give the wrench a try. Okay, we'll loosen it here. Very fast. Let's put it back on. I'll put it on speed 2. Very quick, and then very easy to take off this lug bolt. Okay, I'm going to take this 1/2 inch bolt out. I'll put it in reverse. Very easy. I'll thread it in initially, switch it to forward, switch it to number 1. You could hear the impact, the hammer working. Okay, if you're going to be using the wrench a lot and you don't want to set it up or down or keep it with you close by, just use this belt clip. Then you're ready to go. Okay, I wanted to point out too that it has an LED light that comes on when you pull the trigger that allows you to see in darker areas. Okay, this cordless impact wrench from CERYCOSE is very powerful. It has 3 operating speeds forward from 400 to 600 foot-pounds and a reverse speed of 700 foot-pounds. It has an LED light and it has a 1/2-inch anvil on it. And it does come with a belt clip that's optional that you can install on that. It does not come with a battery, but this tool is designed to use a DeWalt 18 to 20 volt lithium ion battery. Very powerful tool to have. So I highly recommend this cordless impact wrench from CERYCOSE.